Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache and temporary files in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to clear cache and temporary files, so let's see how can do that. You just have to simply right click on this start button, then click on run here. Now in this section you just have to enter TEMP. Just enter this, then press OK. It will open in your file explorer. So here you will see temporary file of your PC. I have these some file because I have recently deleted my one. So if you didn't deleted your files, so you might get a lot of files here. So you just have to select them all and then press delete from your keyboard, then click continue. So it will clear all the temporary files. And once you have done, you have to right click on your start button again, then click on run again. Now this time you have to press shift plus 5 to enter a percentage mark, then enter TEMP temp again, then re again your percentage mark, then press OK. Now you'll see some more temporary files. Here I have a lot of temporary files. So you might also get. So you just have to press Ctrl plus E to select all. Then press Ctrl plus A to select all files here. And then press delete from your keyboard. So it will delete all these temporary files. So some files will not be deleted. So you can try to skip them all. So once you have done, just go back, then go to your settings, and in settings, go to system, go to storage, click yes, and in your storage, you might get temporary files, click on this, and here you will see some files you can delete. So here you'll see your recycle bin, delivery optimization file, thumbnail, temporary internet files, Windows error reports, feedback, and direct text shader keys. So I recommend you have don't to delete this download folder ex- and excluding this download folder. You can delete all of these files. So just click on remove files, click on continue. It will remove all the temporary and junk files from your PC. It will help you to get more space on your PC. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.